Welcome to Bangor from me, the Director of Sustainability and the Sustainability Lab team. I'm sure it's a huge relief for you to finally get here after months of uncertainty. Today and during these first few weeks, there will be many people keen to fill your head with all sorts of information. It can be very confusing, so I'll keep this brief. There'll be plenty of time for us to catch up with you during the year, but I'd like to share a few thoughts and images with you and encourage you to keep an eye out for the Sustainability Lab and INDEB's sustainable and green initiatives. Everything we do is interconnected in some way. Bangor takes the environment very seriously, and there will be plenty of opportunities for you to join in with lots of activities and campaigns. People are important to us. Looking after your health and mental well-being is important. A pleasant, clean environment helps with this. How about checking out the Health Garden and Treborth Botanic Garden? The first campaign of the year, our annual Waste Awareness Week, starts in the first week of October. Keep an eye out for details and please join in. COVID permitting, there will be many volunteering opportunities that will take you out and about, meeting people and the local community. You'll notice that Wales is a different country and the Welsh language is a living language for the majority of people in this area. How about learning a bit and practicing it on campus when you're out and about? And how about persuading your friends to learn as well? And the economy is important too. In Wales, prosperity is linked to low carbon, and Bangor is aiming to be net zero by 2030. Employers are increasingly looking for people who understand what sustainability means. People who care about the environment, kind people who look after each other and other people, and who understand the value of equality and diversity and respect other cultures. That is what sustainability is, the spot where everything meets. Grasp the opportunities as you see them. Join in the activities of the Sustainability Lab. Be the difference you want to see. And most of all, do enjoy your time here at Bangor.